using photopeach.com to demonstrate acids, bases, and salts. This online lesson illustrates how to use photopeach.com to create a unique quality presentation to demonstrate your knowledge on the topic of acids, bases, and salts. This lesson has been designed for grade 10 students. The materials that you require for this lesson are a computer with internet access, a digital camera, litmus paper, and samples of food and personal products that you can find at home. Your challenge in this lesson is to classify substances as acids, bases, or salts based on their characteristics, name, and formula. Please follow the following 3 steps. Step 1. Using litmus paper to determine the pH, choose 3 examples for each: acids, bases, and salts. Step 2. Take a photo for each and do research to determine the characteristics and formula for each. You may use your science textbook as a resource, or you may find information by searching the internet. Step 3. Present your information creatively and professionally using photopeach.com. Here are some ideas of products that you may choose to analyze. Remember what you have learned in your science class about acids, bases, and salts, especially with regards to the pH scale. Once you've completed the 2 steps above, then you are ready for step 3, presenting your information. Now I will demonstrate how to create a presentation using photopeach.com. Download your photos onto your computer, create a folder, and save or store the images in it. I put my folder called Images for Photopeach on the desktop. Do a search for Photopeach. Push Google search and load photopeach.com. You will be asked to register, sign up for free by providing a username, your email, and a new password. Be sure to store both in a secure and accessible place. Now that you are in Photopeach, click on Upload Photos. Then find your folder. Remember, I put mine on the desktop. It was called Images for Photopeach, and here are my photos. You can select all of the photos in the folder by using the Shift Control key and clicking on each of the JPEGs that you want to bring in. They will become highlighted in green when they are selected, and then click the Open button. In creating the new slideshow, you'll see that your photos are being uploaded, and they should look like this, all uploaded on the left of the page. You can drag and drop the photos to change the order that you would like them to play. You can also double-click to preview it in a large size. Finally, if you want to delete any of the photos, you can just drag them to the right side. Now you are ready to move on. Click Next. You can name your slideshow title. A description. And you have the option of playing background music. I'm going to select no music for this one. And click Finish. Now you can see the title is being played and our slides are being run, but we're going to click the Edit button because we're ready to add text. So I go into the Edit, Caption, and Photos. You'll notice the photos are in the top up line here. And so for each of the photos, I'm going to describe the name at the bottom here, the characteristics, and identify the formulas for each of them. So once I finish that, I can click on the beer, explain that, the milk. And when I'm satisfied with all of that, I click the OK button. And I can preview my project as many times as I want and edit it as many times as I want. Now I'm going to go back to this once I'm satisfied. I'm going to make it public. Select the category as Science. And then I'm going to put my cursor to the right. I'm going to email my product to my teacher. And finally, press send. You may want to consider how your presentation will be assessed before you start so that you can use it as a guideline to follow. There are 3 different categories for the presentation: 15 points for details, 5 points for quality, and 15 points for content. Thank you. I hope that you enjoy the challenge, and I look forward to viewing your presentation. All of the photos used in this presentation were taken from the public domain and Creative Commons sites. Goodbye.